Some of us are wondering, a lot of persons have sent me a DM, I'm not making sales, how do I fix this, how do I fix that? But I came to realize that some of us are the cause of why we're not making sales, and this is because of some little mistakes we make every single day that has a big potential in affecting our sales. And a lot of us are not even aware of those mistakes. That's why I'm bringing it up to us so that we can know them, spot them out, and fix them so that our sales can improve. So let me run you through these mistakes that we make as business owners. Mistake number one, an unclear offer. What do I mean? When what you're trying to sell to your customers are not being understood because they are not clear enough. The message is not clear. So your customers do not understand what you're actually trying to sell to them, and they cannot relate to the problem you're trying to solve for them. That is a serious problem, and that can affect sales for you. Number two, when there is a very poor system of reply. A customer will send you a message, you will take hours, you take days to respond, and you keep them waiting. It doesn't pose to them that you're ready for business. And a lot of persons have lost customers via this reason. I'm also a victim of this. However, I'm trying to fix mine, and I'll show you how I do that. All right. Now let's look at mistake number three. When there is a poor, in fact, sometimes no even system of that, but there's the poor follow-up. All right. Someone reaches out to you to buy something, you have to follow up on them until they buy. In fact, even after buying, you keep following up on that customers, because most times we get more buyers from the existing buyers we already have. So the system of follow-up in business is very important. So we must learn to follow up our customers. Someone shouldn't buy from you once and then you throw the person away. You can keep reaching out to the person and keep knowing how they're doing, follow up on what they need next, and all of that. That's the best way to improve and increase our sales. Another mistake we make is lack of proofs. All right. Now, some of us are very good in what we do, and we've had clients we've worked with, we've done wonderful works for them, but we do not have proofs, we do not have reviews, we do not even have testimonials. There is no crime in you telling your customers or your clients, so please, can you write me a review? Can you give me a testimonial? Can you do this? Or can you say something nice about my service to you? I don't think there's anything wrong with that, because you need all of that for you to be able to convince some persons that they can trust you. So lack of proofs can also affect your business. If you're someone who have not been gathering proofs, reviews, and testimonials from customers, please ensure to start doing that. Right now, all of those mistakes can hamper our sales, and if you're found wanting in any of them, or if you've been a victim in any way with any of those mistakes, I think it's high time you start working on it. And trust me, when you start fixing those things, you will see that sales will improve for you, business will get better, productivity will double. See you in my next video. Bye for now.